Good morning, everyone, and welcome to this webinar hosted by CatalystOne. Now, let's move on to today's topic, psychological safety in the workplace. So, looking at the topic, so a McKinsey report states that 62% of workers worldwide, that is 62%, that's a lot, consider mental health a top challenge. And although there is more openness now around mental health issues than it used to be, many employees still struggle with opening up to their managers about this, which shows that more than ever should psychological safety be a high priority in the workplace. So today I am delighted to have with me two experts on the topic. First, my co-host of this three-part webinar series, the experienced HR leader, now CEO, and wonderful discussion partner, Yvonne Fosser. And today's guest, one of the most interesting people I've met lately. If one could say that you've met someone when you only met online, but it feels like I've met you, Carina. The psychologist and author of 3 best-selling books in psychology, the latest one called Jobbpsykologi, or work psychology, Carina Carl.